In the previous session, we have created a materialized view using the onCommit option. Now, let's create a materialized view using the onDemand option. What does onDemand option mean? That means we are not asking the materialized view to refresh as soon as a commit happens on the base table. We manually are asking to refresh the data whenever we want. That can be according to the schedule, or you can come every morning and kick the refresh process manually. Okay, so the only option which is going to change is, instead of on commit, we will be mentioning on demand. Okay, the rest of the syntax is the same. Okay, and whenever we want to refresh the materialized view manually, we use the package dbms underscore mview.refresh. Okay, it's as simple as execute the package name, which is dbms underscore mview.refresh, and in single quotations the materialized view name. Okay, now let's go and do this. Okay, this is the materialized view which we have created in the previous session. Now let me change this to D, indicating it's a on demand materialized view. Okay, and here instead of on commit, I want on demand. Okay, so before that, let me query this SQL and find out how many rows we have. We have 89, right? Because we've inserted one more row in the sales table. So we have 89. Let me note that down. Okay, now let me create this materialized view. So materialized view sales underscore D underscore MV created. Now let me query the sales underscore D underscore MV. Okay, and here of course we will have 89 rows, right? Yes, we have 89 rows. Now let me insert a row into the sales table. Okay, I'll just change the order ID and I'll insert the row. One row inserted, and then let me make a commit. Will this row be reflected in the sales underscore D underscore MV? Will it? No, right? Let's see. You see, still 89 rows only. But whereas on this base table we have 90 rows. Right? Yes. Because we used an on-demand option, it doesn't refresh by itself. We have to manually refresh the data. How do we do that? Okay, that is execute, okay, dbms underscore mview dot refresh bracket start single quotations, and what is our MV name? We have to give it in capital letters. Okay, sales underscore D underscore MV single quotations close semicolon, and let's execute this. Okay, it's refreshing, and you see PL SQL procedure successfully completed. That means this materialized view is successfully completed. Now let's go and execute this. Let's go down. You see 90 rows, right? As soon as we manually triggered the refresh process, the data was fetched and stored in the materialized view, right? Yes, this is how you refresh the materialized view manually. Okay, on demand is the most commonly used refresh method. Okay.